So I wanted to put y'all on these new Whole Foods juices that I got. I think I might do like a full review on YouTube, but I think that these juices are really good if you're just trying to lose weight, maybe maintain your weight, or even just have something healthy in the morning. I know for me, I'm definitely a coffee head. So sometimes I do want to have my coffee, but I have been trying to change that. And I've been trying to drink these 100% cold pressed juices every single morning. Now I tried, I think 2 other flavors besides these 3, but these are the 3 that I have left in my fridge. So this one is the tropical greens. It has coconut water, pineapple, apples, mango, and kale. And it always tells you to shake well because some of the contents do tend to sit to the bottom. And then this one is the rise and shine. And this one has apples, pineapples, mangoes, grapes, and ginger, and it has a little bit of stuff at the bottom, as y'all can see, so that's why it pretty much tells you to shake well. But I literally just opened this one because I was curious of the taste, and y'all, it's bomb. Okay, they all taste so flavorful. And then the last one here I have is turmeric orange coconut water, and this one has orange, carrot, coconut water, turmeric, and lemon. And y'all, these are just so tasty. If you think juicing is gross and you don't think it's tasty, I definitely do recommend you guys head over to Whole Foods and try these out. It is in the section like right near the door where all like the fresh produce are. That's pretty much where you're gonna find these juices. They sell these individually, or you can buy the bigger bottle, but if you buy 4 of these little bottles, you actually save $4. So for every 4 you get, you save $4 basically. So yeah, y'all, if y'all never tried these, I definitely do recommend head over to Whole Foods and try these out.